Newell Coach is the premier luxury custom coach manufacturer in the United States.
It's the only large motor coach that's built entirely from scratch to be a motorhome. Custom designed and custom engineered for the customer. It's a rather awe-inspiring experience to drive one of the things down the road. It's 45 feet long, weighs 60,000 pounds, and it performs extremely well, and it's just a unique experience.
We have a steer tag axle, so it cuts down the radius of the motorhome to 38 feet on a 45-foot motorhome. We have flat floor slides, so whether you're going down the road or you're parked, you always have level, flat floors on the coach.
The vast majority of our customers are self-made entrepreneurs.
Oftentimes, they've just sold their business or they've handed their business off to their kids. They've been motor coaching for a number of years and have graduated to a point where they want a Newell. There's luxury destinations all over the U.S., all over the world, but what our customers really want is they want to enjoy the trip along the way. And that's what our motorhomes allow them to do. They don't have to sacrifice any of the luxury or any of the amenities that they have in their luxury homes.
The coaches are built like a luxury condominium, except distilled down to about 600 square feet.
You put all the stuff in the motorhome that you want. You've got refrigerator, your food. You get to take all that stuff with you wherever you go. You're not having to pack. You're not having to get on a plane and check luggage and wait for people to help you out. In a Newell, you're always first class. You're first class traveling and you're first class when you get there.
Some manufacturers start by purchasing a chassis, or some manufacturers start with maybe purchasing the whole bus. We start from scratch.
We build our own chassis, and we build our own body.
That allows us to have a much higher degree of customization than our competition, and that's what our customers want, and that's why they call us. We spend a lot of time researching and experimenting with advanced home automation. We spend a lot of time working on our chassis design and the way our coaches perform. So I think it's a spirit of innovation that really sets us apart from our competition.
One of the real assets that we have is being located in the center of the country in a rural area where there are lots of skilled craftsmen with lots of integrity. Almost everybody around here wants to work for Newell. So we're very choosy in who we hire, and we do get the best.
The people that make up Newell Coach are extremely dedicated, extremely committed to the satisfaction of our customers, and extremely talented. From a 10-year perspective, it's not uncommon for us to have employees that have been here for 20, 25, 30 years plus. It's very much a family-based business. It's always been that way. And they all have a singular goal in mind, and that's to build a beautiful coach for our customers and to take care of them along the way.
I think Newell's success has been built on just two rather simple principles. That is innovative, advanced product, and then customer service. The innovative product brings people to us, and the customer service keeps them with us, coach after coach.
Newell has a very high reputation for taking care of the customer after the sale, and that's very important to us.
Many of our customers have been with us for 20 or 30 years. They've had 6, 8, 10 different Newells through the years.
The reason our customers are calling us and the reason our customers are coming back to us is because we're really listening to what they want in their motorhome. We're continuing to push for creative solutions from the manufacturing process. We're continuing to innovate the type of offering we have for our customers. And they know we'll take very good care of them once they get into the field. I think this is the coolest manufacturing process and the coolest end product in the United States today. I couldn't be prouder of being a member of the team that builds these coaches.